guys, it's Hi5 Trainer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make badam milk. So let's go into the video. The ingredients that you need are 1.5 liters of milk, saffron, sweetener, about 60 almonds. I soaked them for 4 hours and peeled the skin off. Firstly, you have to soak the almonds for 4 to 6 hours and peel the skin off like this. Now keep them aside, and on a stove boil the milk. As the milk is boiling, into a mixer jar take the almonds, and some milk. Now blend it into a fine paste. Now that the milk is boiled, turn the flame to low. Add the sweetener or sugar. If you're using sugar, you need to add 9 tablespoons, but because I'm using sweetener, I'm adding 3. The consistency of the paste should be like this. Now add this almond paste to the milk. Into the mixie jar that we had the almond paste in, add some milk and pour it back into the boiling milk. After a few minutes, add the saffron and let it continue cooking on low flame for about 8 to 10 minutes. In the last 30 seconds, turn the flame to high. The consistency should be like this. And tasty badam milk is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and turn on the notifications bell to get notified whenever I upload another video.